One of the fastest ways to get results with ghost pages is using keyword research to attract the right kind of visitors. Ghost pages already rank quickly because they're built on Google backed platform, but keyword research is what turns that ranking in targeted traffic. Here's how it works. Instead of going after broad competitive terms like fitness tips or make money online, focus on long tail and buyer intent keywords. These phrases like best home workout plan for beginners or easy side hustles idea for busy moms. They may get fewer searches, but the people typing them in are motivated and ready to take action. By building ghost pages around these specific terms, you're matching your content to exactly what people want. That's how you get clicks, leads, and sales, not just traffic. And when you stack multiple ghost pages, each targeting different keywords, you create a swarm effect that pushes more and more visitors to your offers. In short, keyword research is the bridge between a page that gets ignored and a ghost page that drives real targeted results. If you want to learn step by step how to use keyword research with ghost pages to drive free traffic, check the link in the description and get started today.